Hey fam, how are you? My name is Olbaid and I'm gonna show you how to create hip hop. The first thing we need is a melody. I used this from a sample pack from Cymatics called Astro, it's free. Add some reverb and EQing. Then choose an 808 and create a melody like this one. Don't forget to create some slide notes like this. Also, at the end of the loop, add one note 1 octave up. Send the 808 to the mixer, and in one channel you will have the soft bass. And in the other channel, add some distortion and EQing in order to have more harmonics. This will keep the sound clean and powerful. Choose a kick and a snare and create a beat like this one, adding sidechain every time any of them hits. Don't forget the hi-hats. In the piano roll, change some of the velocity of the hi-hat in order to have a more human touch. Don't forget some reverb for the snare. And also some reverb for the hats. You can fill the space using a loop like this. Along with the beat sounds like this. Also, choose some effects to add more flavor to this beat. Don't forget the sidechain, so every time the kick or the snare hits, the volume of the bass will drop. This is also useful for the melody. Altogether sounds like this. As you can see guys, it's really easy to make hip hop, and even more if you have the correct samples for this. I made all of this using Cymatics samples Astro. These are free, you can see the link in the description below, and also the FLP if you want to download and study this for yourself. Don't forget to share and subscribe, and see you the next time.